Good afternoon and welcome to Robbo's Rules again. We're now going to demonstrate how to take complete relief from abnormal course conditions. Okay, so I'm now going to demonstrate how to take relief from a roadside trench, which often confuses people, which is the same procedure as we use for relief from any other abnormal course condition. So let's take this example here. I've come to my ball and it lies between the roadside trench and the bitumen, but it's not on the bitumen, so it's in the abnormal course condition. So I'm now enabled to take free relief, and I do so by adopting the following method. I come to a point on the bank no nearer the hole. So there, and from there I take my ball, because that's not going to any longer required, and up onto the bank. And then what I must do now is to decide, with the club that I'm going to use for my next shot, where to drop the ball. So what I do, remember that relief includes your stance. So I've got to decide at which point do I have a clear stance with the club I'm going to use next. And in this case, it's there. And so I mark that point. From there, I use my driver, the longest club in your bag that's not your putter, to describe the point again no nearer the hole at which I should drop the ball. I mark that spot there, and I drop the ball within an arc described by this driver no nearer the hole, from knee height, thus. Remove the tees, the marking points, and I've now got the position from which I play my next shot. So now we're going to revisit the situation where we're taking free relief from a roadside trench, but in this case I'm playing in the opposite direction. And I've marked my nearest point of relief up here on the bank, and I'm going to use the longest club in my bag, which is my driver, to mark one club length from that point, no nearer the hole, and put another mark in at that point. Remove the club, and then I drop in the area defined by club length there on a slope, so it rolled out of the relief area. I drop it again. Because we're on a slope, this will probably roll again, which it does, and then the procedure is for me to place the ball at the point where the second drop hit the ground. So I place it there, and I'm now enabled to remove my marks and play my shot. So we hope that that's given you a few examples of how you take relief from abnormal course conditions, including a roadside trench, including a sprinkler head, and it's the same relief procedure for relief from any abnormal course condition. Hope that's been useful, and we'll see you next time.